Using Scholar at Shorter University. So Scholar is a web portal where you can check out calendars, class schedules, access library resources. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the main Shorter University website. So www.shorter.edu, and you're going to get into specifically the Scholar part. So up at the top of the screen where it says Scholar, you're going to click on it. This is kind of the front end part of Scholar. So from this point, you're going to log in. It's the same logins for using computers on campus. So your username is your student ID number, and your password is a password that you create. Once you get into the main frame of Scholar, you're going to click up at the top on the Library tab. As you can see up towards the top, you're going to see things like the Galileo password, which really helps you to get into some of our resources, as well as library hours, things about LibGuides, how to do interlibrary loans, and that sort of thing. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at the library.